Okay, so it's now recording.
Okay. My experience of the weekend, I have to say, I went from a cynic to a believer. I came in thinking, it sounds like a good idea, but just how realistic is it? And how much can you learn in a weekend that will really give you a sense of how to photo read? But I have to say that I've come away with a very confident sense that it is something that I can do, and not only can I do, but I can master, and not only can I master, but it will be something that will now push me forward in another goal I have, which was to do a doctorate. And I think that now, knowing that I can read 1 million books at a much quicker pace than I would have done traditionally, actually makes the decision to do that a lot easier. So I am very grateful. I had a fantastic time. There was lots of mental stimulation, there was lots of positive energy, and when you think about it, actually it is just about doing what you know differently. So photo reading isn't as out there as it first sounds, and I definitely would recommend the course to anybody.
Thank you.